Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by using an administrator account because the change requires elevated rights. Once signed in, press Windows plus R and type NetBluz, then press Enter to open the Advanced User Accounts window. Make sure the account you want to auto-login is highlighted. This is the first actionable step. You will see the checkbox labeled Users must enter a username and password. Leave this window open for the next step so you can change that setting now. Once done with the NetBluz window, uncheck the box and click Apply to trigger the credential prompt. You must type the exact username and current password for the account you highlighted. This stores the credentials in the registry so Windows can sign in automatically. Make sure you enter the password twice to confirm and click OK. After confirming, click OK again to close the dialog and return to the desktop. This completes the configuration portion of the process. Now restart the PC to verify that Windows signs in automatically. This final test ensures the registry change worked. If Windows still asks for a password, sign in manually, reopen NetBluz, and carefully re-enter the username and password. Typos are the common cause. Also note, domain-joined accounts often ignore this setting, so use a local administrator account if auto-login is required. If problems continue, check Credential Manager.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.